So Hyperliquid have just rolled out their new HyperEVM chain, and as you can see here, this is in alpha stage and it's going to be a gradual rollout. They've done this in a way where nobody was given the heads up that this was going to launch, and they're saying that this creates fairness and a credible neutral platform in the long run. Then there's going to be a gradual rollout as they upgrade the system that's already doing billions of dollars of volume per day. As you know, Hyperliquid is currently creating a storm in the crypto world. It is massive. Everybody is trading on Hyperliquid these days. So them rolling out this chain, there is a lot of hype behind it. It's already on Deck Screener, as you can see here. These are all the new HyperEVM tokens that have launched. And there is also Liquid Launch, which shows you all of the latest tokens. This is essentially the pump fund version of Liquid Launch. So this is pretty cool, a lot of hype behind this. And just looking at some of the new tokens that have launched, this one, G-Meow, seems to be one of the first tokens. It's already survived quite a lot of sell pressure, which is a good sign. So if this one can reverse, this could potentially be a flagship meme on the chain. This is their X account. They've already got a small little Twitter community going on over here. And they say that G-Meow transmission log day 42. So I believe this is one of the earliest tokens to come out of HyperEVM. So if that can reverse, it's already survived quite a few downturns, which means it'll be poised to be quite a strong token. It'll be in the position to be quite a strong token. However, all of these are extremely high risk. These have literally just launched. They've got no real credibility and not much foundation going to them at all. But I'm just taking a look, scanning the screener and seeing what's about. HypeSphere also seems interesting. It's one of the first utility tokens on HyperEVM. They've built out a bubble map. You can see all of the tokens that are currently in progress. So these have not yet migrated, which is pretty useful to look at. And you'll be able to see graduated tokens coming soon. And you can filter it by market cap or percentage increase. So first real kind of utility that's made on HyperEVM, HypeSphere. And the dev is active, still building stuff as well. So the fact is that 100k right now is fairly low value. But as I said, this is so risky. Anything can happen with these tokens. It is very, very early on. DNDX, bit of a meme coin play, but so far this has held up very well, holding at just below 4 million. And chart has been continuous up and to the right, pretty stable. This is decentralized Nasdaq. This is their website here. Again, not much going on because it's just a brand new meme, but essentially it's just a spin-off on the Nasdaq. You can see their X profile here. Kind of SPX 6900 vibes. Short the suits, long the chain. Own the casino. So yeah, just a little meme coin play on HyperEVM. This one seems to be doing pretty well out of the gate. Not that it means anything, but Holy Liquid. Just a meme from Hyperliquid. Let's check out the X profile. Decent little community is formed there. Seem to be posting a few edits. NKYS. This one's pretty strange. Chart's been holding up decently. Decent amount of volume as well, but the ticker never kill yourself on Hyperliquid. Established to propagate the almighty. Life is beautiful. Never KYS. And just those two tweets. Pretty interesting. But yeah, there's just a few random tokens on Hyperliquid. If you're trading on Hyperliquid, let me know in the comments below what things have you picked up. Why have you picked them up? Are you just trading meme coins? Are you holding any long term? If there's anything interesting out there, let me know. Obviously this is the start of a brand new chain, so there's not really too much to say yet until it becomes more established. But yeah, let me know if you're trading on HyperEVM. I'm not saying to buy any of these tokens at all. I do not own majority of these. If you're going to trade any of these tokens, make sure you're trading it with risk-free capital, money that you can afford to lose. Never put in more money than you can afford to lose. especially when trading things like this. It's high risk, literally the highest risk there is in crypto, other than leverage and shit. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Anyway, catch you guys in the next one.